Hi guys, I got to see my prize. Open this box, what it has. The Gabriel has it.
There's a name.
There's a name, and here it is.
Wow.
We got
Cards.
cards for the planet. This is where we got the the names. This is the flower where we use it. This is the names where we use the names. This is the J card where we use it to find the names. And this is the clay.
I think it's a clay.
It's
Yeah.
a clay where you can build something.
And this one is a puzzle for spelling.
For ABCs.
Spelling. Wow.
And this is where we
For
put
math.
maths. And also they want it too.
Yeah.
They're not really that bad.
Borrow daw siya niyan. Okay. Ito naman, open natin. What's inside?
What's inside this box? We got a
Oh,
new
what's that? Oh,
zombie
wow.
board.
Show me board.
A new color.
Card.
A new color
Let me see.
card.
Color.
This is a new
Wow.
color card. This is where we practice our names.
Yeah, another card.
This is where
I think
we
it's
put
coloring card, kuya.
Yeah. This is where
Shapes.
we shapes.
Wow,
where we know
that's
the
a nice one.
This is where we practice colors. This
Okay.
is where we next find
Shapes.
the shapes.
Again, more.
This
Wow,
is
it's a
not
lot.
shapes and more shapes. Why do I love shapes?
More activities.
More activities. We got yellow
What's
color,
this? A paint.
painting, red color, blue color, black color, white color.
Wow.
Then we have glue and scissors.
Wow. Be careful with the scissor. Give it to me.
Body. And we got
Another.
card
For,
again.
what's this? For flower. Ah, no, it's for the leaves, plants.
This is where we
Let me see.
make.
Secondary roots. Nice.
This is where we have
Oh,
crayons.
large crayons. Let me see. It's open.
Puppy.
Whoa, a lot of paintbrush.
We got orange. Well, there was a lot what's coloring. I forgot to. Can you put this block, please?
Why?
I totally forgot where I put it. This is where
Oh,
we
for
put the
paint.
This is where we put the painting. The next where we have our new black pen marker. It's called black pen. So, we have nothing in here.
Okay, what will you say? You say thank you.
Thank you.